Welcome back to another episode of Teacher in the Kitchen. It's rainy season here, so I thought of a dish that's perfect for the season but simple to cook. Let's prepare vegetarian egg drop soup. Here is the list of our ingredients. The amount of water depends on how much you can consume. I'm alone here, so 2 bowls of water is enough for me. Be careful with the amount of corn flour that you will add. You don't want it to turn into a paste. Vegetable egg drop soup, everyone! Nothing beats a hot soup on a rainy season. Let's eat!